In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get custom skins here in War Thunder. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, as you can see, I'm currently not in War Thunder, and that is very specific. You don't want to be in War Thunder for this. In fact, you want to open up wherever you currently have the War Thunder files for first. So for me, that's going to be Steam. I'm going to open up Steam real quick. And actually, while Steam is updating, because we can do the steps in really any order, go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice. Search up War Thunder Live Skins, and you're going to want to go to WT Live and then this camouflages section, just like so. This is going to then take you to a page that looks something like this. What you want to do is search for whatever vehicle you want, for example. And you could really use any of these. It doesn't necessarily matter. Just choose a vehicle that you obviously already own. Let's just say we want to get this anime one right here though. So go ahead and just say that this is the one that you want. Select it. And then of course you need to go ahead and hit download on the file. Once you hit download, it's going to download just like so. And it's going to be in a zip file. Go ahead and just drag that onto like your desktop, for example, just so it's easier to locate later. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is actually just open up that zip file and drag the folder out just so that you have the folder, because once again, it's going to make it a lot easier to access later, and then you could delete that zip file. Now once you're in Steam, what you need to do is go to your library and just find War Thunder on here. So I'm just going to search for it. Go ahead and right click on it and go to manage and then browse local files, and it's going to open up a page that looks something like this. Once you're in here, you need to go ahead and find the game folder specifically, which of course is what we're in, and just right click on a free space, hit new, and then create a folder and call it user skins, all lowercase, just like that. Go ahead and hit enter, then find that folder, open it up. I'm just going to delete this one that was in here already and just drag this new one just like so. From here, all you have to do is just close out of this folder and then launch War Thunder. Go to that vehicle that you want to equip it for, go to customization, and you'll see the user skin option available. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.